All right, Rick, so it looks like the corn's changing. It's no longer green. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the process?
Well, the corn is naturally getting ripe to physiological maturity, as they call it, and obviously they're still green because the plant is healthy. But the you can see this is an outside row. They'll go in there. This corn is all dented now, and you can see how much the husks are loosened up on the ears. But anyway, for example, they're all looking loose. Let's naturally dry out.
So what does dented mean for our viewers?
Well, it means the kernel is completely full of the starch and proteins and sugars, so that it's got as much nutrients in there as possible for value. And then you can see here that it's black layer. That little tip there means that it's black layer down, so that it's as big as it's going to get.
Okay. So a lot of people think that when the corn starts looking like this, that it's already frozen.
Yeah, particularly this is not frozen. Just that's how healthy the corn is. That it's got ripe ears on green stalks, and we haven't had a killing frost, which has got to be 28 degrees for 4 hours.
So then, Rick, if this corn is dented and looks like it's ready, are you going to start combining it now?
Well, not yet. The moisture we checked here is probably still 26, 24%. So we got to take out 10 points. Then you're still at 15, 16, depending on what it is. And it's for long-term storage, you got to have it down to 14 in the bin. So we'll get going on in the next week or so.
Okay.
Probably 1st of October.
So do you, when you go to combine, can you combine it when the leaves are green, as long as the corn is dry enough?
Yeah, this stuff just gets shredded down through the corn head, which you'll see when we take some photos, but just pops the ear off and
there it is.
No problem.
All right. So they still have trouble with the hydraulics. So here's Kevin on the phone. Who's he talking to?
He said he was gonna.
He's on the phone with Trevor.
Okay.
From Truman Walters. Here we are at a stop here. Got to get that combine fixed.
Okay.
Okay. What's the little piece causing all the issues?
They look exactly the same, but apparently they're different on the
This
inside.
little piece is the part that's causing all the problems.
So once you get a replacement in there, it should run like a gem.
Part then to do that, or can we push in on that thing? Or don't you know either?
Loosen.
Take this one off to get the other on.
Just loosen the seat. Is it under any pressure?
No pressure.
Shoot, that's a whole